Hello everyone, let's learn some digraph sounds. Today we're going to learn two sounds, the sh sound and the ch sound. We're going to look at the picture and name the pictures, and we're going to listen for the first sound of the picture and then match it to the sound. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first picture we have is ship. Ship. What sound does the ship begins with? Is it sh or is it ch? Well done. It is sh. Let's write the sh sound. Fantastic, well done. Sh, ship. Now the next picture we have is chips. Chips. Chips begins with ch or sh. Well done. Chip begins with a ch, ch, ch. Let's write ch, ch, ch. Chips. Well done. The next picture we have is chick. Chick. Chick begins with, well done, ch, 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 ch. Ch, 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 chick. Fantastic, well done. The next picture we have is shoes. Shoes. Shoes begins with sh or ch. Well done. Shh. Let's write the sh sound. Fantastic job. Well done. Now we're going to the next picture, and the next picture we have is of a shirt. Shirt. Shirt begins with a ch or sh. Well done. Shh. Shirt. Shirt. Fantastic job. Well done. Now the next picture we have is a chair. Chair. Chair begins with sh or ch. Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Chair begins with a ch, ch, ch sound. And here we are. We have the ch, 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 chair. The next picture we have is a shark. Shark with a sharp teeth. Shark begins with a ch or sh. Fantastic. Shark begins with a sh sound. And here we are. We have the sh sound for sh, sh, shark. The next picture is of a chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate begins with a sh or ch. Well done. Chocolate begins with a ch, 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 ch sound. Great work. Well done. And here we have the ch, ch, ch sound. Fantastic work. Well done, everyone. Great work. So we have sh for ship, ch for chip, ch for chick, sh for shoes, sh for shirt, ch for chair, sh for shark, and ch for chocolate. Great work. Well done, everyone. Hello parents. If you like this video and would like to use these resources, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many early years teaching resources created by an early years experienced teacher. That is me. These resources can be used in the classroom or at home to support children's early reading and math skills. These sheets can be downloaded instantly and use them in class, ready to be used in the classroom. I've used this in my classroom. The children absolutely loves it and I get great result. And I hope it does the same for you. I will leave the link below in description. I hope you like it and thank you for your support. Bye.